We're at the top. Sorry. We're at the top of, like, on our way to Boardman Trail, and shit, it is. Oh, it's pretty foggy up here, and we want to keep going, but oh, dude, look at down there. There's like a. Watch yourself, though. Right? There's a car down there. Holy moly! It's all rusted with bullets.
Dang.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
I wonder what car fell down there.
I don't know. I have no clue.
How did we get there?
I don't know. Wow.
That is something strange.
Yeah. Wow. Some graffiti. Couple off-road trail up there. You can bring your vehicle up there. RJ, this is a nice little shooting spot.
Yeah.
This is awesome. RJ, you want to learn how to shoot?
Me? I don't know. That's a lot of bullets, though.
Oh, look, somebody left dinosaurs right there. Did you see it? Did you record that?
Oh, shoot. Oh, that's cool. I don't know who left that.
Yeah.
But look at
All
this.
right. I'm gonna,
Jesus.
I'm gonna put it right there. Here, come over here, Arch. I'll teach you.
Teach me.
Why not? So, okay, so you're gonna record. So there's a couple things. So I'm gonna pull my weapon out. Here, here, here. So, back up. Right here. You just film me. So I pull this off. Now I actually have it loaded, but to make sure you always point it away, no one around you. Okay, Arch?
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take off the magazine real quick. I'm gonna take that bullet that's in the chamber. You always want to look. Nothing's in the chamber. Now this is an M&P 45 Shield Performance Center, 45 auto, semi-auto. Got nice ports, green switch con, red in the back, so it's lined up. So what you want to do is, when you're not pulling the trigger arch, just like we're playing Nerf guns, I always tell you guys to hold your finger away from the trigger, just like that, until you're ready to fire at your target. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that real quick. There's nothing in there, so we're safe. And when you're done firing, example, if I'm done shooting, there's probably still some ammo in there. You want to make sure that you don't like say, oh, you know, oh, that was too strong, and you move it away and accidentally hit the person. Okay? Yeah. Or injure yourself. Don't point it down and shoot your feet, right? If you're unfamiliar with your weapon and you feel like, hey, you know, there might be a bullet stuck in there or whatever, let me come to you and you just hold it out with your finger out. Okay? I'll do a couple shots. It's gonna be really loud. This video is definitely not for kids. We're still recording. We just happen to see a place to shoot. So, yes, I carry concealed. This is Washington State. I have my license. We practice safety here. And today's RJ's day to learn something new.
Yeah.
Lucky for you. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my finger off the trigger, right? And if you look, got my left hand here gripped on. Now, I already cocked it back, right? So I'm holding it back. Don't point it at your face. Don't point it anywhere else but your target. Okay? So I'm going to aim right here. Come over here behind me. I'm going to aim right here. And I'm going to level it. The green lights. I don't know if you guys can see it. It might be a little hard, but the two red lights, the green should be flat right in between there. So it's going to get really loud. We didn't bring our earmuffs. I didn't expect this here. But we're going to see if we can shoot one of these guys. Pretty loud. Gives you that ring. Now, it's still loaded, okay? You want to try? No?
Not yet.
Just one.
This one.
Alright. So, remember, I'm putting it in front of us right now, right? You might hear a ring. Here, put your finger on the trigger. Hold it firm. Now, don't point anywhere else. Hold it firm. Don't panic. Hold it firm before you pull the trigger. Okay. I'm gonna hold you right there, and you try. Go ahead. You're gonna put your finger off the trigger, just like that. That's good. I'm gonna take it off for you. You got it?
Oh jeez. My ear just started ringing. I was like,
Yeah, we didn't. Oh, it's empty.
oh, last one too.
Yeah, it only holds 6, but there could be one more left in there. Yep, there it is. So, clear?
Okay.
Fingers clear? Alright, we're clear. What do you think?
That's crazy.
Crazy! This is
Yeah.
your first time shooting, RJ.
Yep.
Never handle a gun without adult supervision.
Yep.
And don't try this at home. Now you know how to use one, but just be careful, okay?
Don't forget your phone.
Oh.
Going to work.